Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about charity work, volunteering overseas, and inspiring stories of people making a difference. This is a topic that generates some of the most powerful and moving conversations in English. People get involved in charity for many reasons: compassion for those in need, a desire to use their skills for good, a wish to see more of the world, or simply responding to a moment that changed their perspective. You might say, "I never intended to volunteer abroad, I just heard about the project from a colleague and something clicked." Describing a volunteering experience requires storytelling vocabulary. Use vivid, specific detail. "We were working in a rural school with 60 children, no textbooks, and a dirt floor. But those kids were the most engaged learners I've ever seen." Specific details make stories real and memorable. Reflecting on the impact of your experience is powerful. "It completely changed my perspective on what matters." Or, "I came back with a much deeper understanding of how privileged I am." Or, "The relationships I built in those 3 months are the most meaningful connections I've made." Charity work isn't only overseas. Local volunteering, fundraising, and campaigning are equally valuable. You might say, "We organized a sponsored run and raised £15,000 for the local food bank." Or, "I spent Saturday morning helping at a community garden's small actions, but they matter." When describing the impact of a charity, use outcome language. "The program reached 300 families in the first year." Or, "The microfinance scheme enabled 40 women to start their own businesses." Measurable impact is more compelling than vague claims. Today we covered motivations, storytelling, reflection, local and overseas action, and describing impact. Charity work is a rich topic, full of humanity and hope. See you next time.